Hello aspirants, welcome back to next lectures on DC machine, EMF equations of DC machines. Clear? So yes, in this lecture, EMF means basically in these lectures we need to find EMF. See, EMF equation of DC machine. So what is the EMF equation of DC machines? Please ये याद कर लो आप लोग. EMF equation of DC machine is equal to phi Z N P by 60 into A. This is the value. बट यहां पर मैं आपको डिराइव करके बताऊंगा. बट दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन. आपको डेरिवेशन वहां नहीं पूछेंगे. ETO COC एग्जाम्स में रेयरली आस्क्ड. MEO क्लास 4 न्यूमेरिकल इलेक्ट्रिकल रेयरली आस्क्ड. बट यस, इस बेसिस इस पे काफी क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं. मोस्टली क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं. क्लियर और नॉट? सो EMF इज इक्वल टू फाई इंटू जेड इंटू एन इंटू पी बाय 60 इंटू ए. क्लियर? एनी डाउट? सो नाउ व्हाट इज फाई? फ्लक्स. व्हाट इज जेड? Z stands for number of armature conductor. What is N? Rotation of armature, revolution per minute. Clear? What is P? Number of poles. Now what is A? Number of parallel path, and it depends on the winding is lap winding or wave winding. Now suppose this is the image. तो ये image actually किस तरीके का image है? Now see, look. This one, and suppose there are some slot inside this. There are some slots inside this rotor, or we can say armature. Clear? Suppose these are slots. Clear? This is armature. This is armature. So already in construction detail I told you armature is in rotating. Armature is a rotor in DC circuit or in DC machine. So this is armature. Now see, suppose now.
Hello ET aspirants, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. If you want right information, right guidance, download Merchant Navy Start app right now. If you are looking for online recorded classes or online content from where you want to study, go for ET Aspirant Excellence Package on Merchant Navy Decoded. What are you waiting for? Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. The link is in the description box. Take care, bye.
Phi flux you know. Now Z is equal to number of armature conductor. Now suppose these are the wires and a group of wire goes to this number 1 slot. Clear? And another group of wire goes to the number 2 slots. Clear or not? And another group of wire goes to the number 3 slots. So how many slots? 1, 2, 3. Like how many slots? Number 1 slots, number 2 slots, number 3 slots, number 4 slots, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. Likewise, getting or not? These are the slots. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Clear? Suppose this one is number 4. Number 4. Clear? A group of conductor. Clear? So now number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So there are 4 slots. Yeah, just I am assuming these are the 4 slots. In each slots there are group of conductor. In each slots a group of conductor is there. Each slot group of conductor, each slot group of conductor. Now tell me, these slots are in parallel. Clear? Are in parallel to each other. So we can say these are the parallel path. Why path? Because of conductor. क्योंकि conductor इस path में जा रहा है और वहां पर winding हो रही है. Clear? So these are the 4 parallel path, which is denoted by A. Clear? Got it? What is A? Any doubt? Clear है ना? A क्या है? चलो. Now, इतने clear है? चलो. P number of poles. Suppose 4 poles motor, 6 pole motor. Clear? n revolution per minute. Now what is Z? Number of armature conductor. See, up this is first slot, clear? This one is first slot. So in first slots, how many conductors are there? अगर मैं बोलूं इस मोटर में टोटल 500 कंडक्टर्स हैं. How many of conductors are present in this DC motor? 500 conductors. And as per your observance, how many parallel paths are there? Means how many slots are there? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Number 4 slots. Total number of slots is equal to 4. ठीक है. So this 500 value represent Z. Any doubt? This 500 value represent Z. Total number of conductor means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Clear? 17. So यहाँ पर कितने 17 कंडक्टर है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ कंडक्टर्स आर 17. सपोज ईच कितनी है 1 2 3 4 5. तो यहाँ पर भी 5 होनी चाहिए. वन मोर 1 2 3 4. तो एक और मैं दे देता हूँ 5. यहाँ पर भी 1 2 3 4 एक और दे देता हूँ 5. 1 2 3 4 एक और दे देता हूँ 5. मीन्स 5. सो इन दिस सिनेरियो, इन दिस मोटर, हाउ मेनी टोटल नंबर ऑफ कंडक्टर? 5 5 5 5 20. So what is the Z value in this case? 20. In this case, what is the A value? Number of parallel path 1 2 3 4. 4 parallel path. Clear? Any doubt? Now calculate Z by A value. What Z by A value represent? Z by A is nothing but suppose in this case total 500 number of conductors, total number of conductors and 4 slots, or we can say 5 slots. So 500 by 5 represent 100. Means what? 100 conductors are present in one slot in single parallel path. How many number of conductors? 100 number of conductors are present in a single parallel path. Clear? Any doubt? I don't think so. इसमें कोई भी doubt होनी चाहिए. Clear? So how many? 20. So 20 by number of parallel path in this case 20 by 4 means 5. तो देखो 1 1 2 3 4 5. Clear or not? Any doubt? तो I don't think so इसमें कोई भी doubt होनी चाहिए. तो always remember what is the formula of your flux linked formula? Means EMF, not flux. EMF is equal to phi ZNP by 60 into A. This is the EMF equation of DC machine. Applicable for both motor और generator. Clear? Any doubt? So again, अब यहाँ पर derivation है. Just मैं आपको derivation show कर देता हूँ. First of all, flux link with one revolution made by one conductor present in one parallel path. Clear? So flux link with one revolution. One revolution of this by one conductor, by only one conductor. इतने कंडक्टर है ना, उनमें से एक कंडक्टर प्रेजेंट इन वन पैरेलल पाथ. क्लियर? सपोज these are the parallel path. These are the parallel path or slot. Conductors, number 1 conductors, number 2, number 3, number 4. Clear? Or number 5. So now we need to find flux link with one revolution made by one conductor. Clear? One revolution of this rotor or this armature made by one conductor. सिर्फ अगर एक कंडक्टर, दिस कंडक्टर की अगर मैं फ्लक्स लिंक फाइंड करूं तो वो क्या होगा? phi into p. Clear or not? Any doubt? That is phi into p. Derivation बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. Now time taken that is 60 by n. This is the time taken. Clear? EMF induced in one conductor in one revolution. So what? Always remember EMF is equal to d phi by dt. So what is the value of जो flux link? That is phi p by dt is 60 by n. 60 by n, तो n into 5p by 60, clear, n into 5p by 60, this is EMF induced in one conductor. एक कंडक्टर में इतनी EMF इंड्यूस्ड हो रही इन वन रिवोल्यूशन, क्लियर. नाउ EMF induced in all the conductor in one parallel path, क्लियर. वन पैरेलल पाथ मैंने बताया था ना अभी Z by A, so just 5 NP by 60 into in one parallel path Z by A, so EMF is equal to 5 NP by 60 into A, clear, for motor, clear. 5 NP by 60 into Z by A component. So this is the final equation of EMF induced in all the conductor in one parallel path in one revolution of rotor. Any doubt? Clear? So इस पे काफी सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स है, फर्दर लेक्चर्स में हम इसका न्यूमेरिकल्स करेंगे. स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर फर्दर लेक्चर्स. थैंक यू.